why I don't like whinging. So this is more than just a personal preference. I've been thinking long and hard about this, and I've written a bit of a list of the reasons. So, number one, whinging doesn't solve anything. What we need to do is be solution focused. We need to be explaining what problem it is we are trying to solve and involving other people in actually making a difference. Whinging does nothing to help that process at all. Number two, it's energy sapping instead of uplifting. It drags us down. Number three, it creates an environment where you only start to see the negatives, you can't see the positives. If you're in that mindset, you can have one thing go wrong in the day and you'll fixate on that rather than seeing all of the positives and all of the learning opportunities that have gone on throughout the day. They kind of get lost in the background, which I think is a real shame. Four, it drags down those around you rather than lifting them up and supporting them. If you're feeling in a place where you want to whinge about something, chances are everyone else has had a bad day or are struggling as well, because it's during those tough times that we start to get into that headspace. That's exactly when people need you to help them and support them and lift them up, not drag them down further. And lastly, and quite interestingly, it actually decreases your life expectancy. There's been a lot of science that shows that having a negative mindset and being pessimistic can decrease your life expectancy by anything up to 10 years. There's a lot of research out there about that. Go and have a look.